some thoughts together. Let's reason together. Okay, so I'm saying happy Sunday, happy new week, happy new month to everyone, and happy half of the year. Half of the year is gone already. How have you made use of this remaining half? The half have gone already. Then how are you making use of the remaining half that we still have to go to the end of the year? Have you been able to accomplish your dream, all that you said you are going to accomplish this year? Have you started with it, or which stage are you? Are you in the finishing end, or you are yet to achieve them all? What is the problem? What is making you not to have achieved this, your dreams? What is making you not to have gotten to where you want to be? And the year is almost running off already. What is that? Is it financially? Is it you not putting the work? Is it you being, as in not being your real self and putting in the best you can? Or what, or is it friends and family that is discouraging you? Which of the above? Anyone which is the above can still be tackled. You can still do something for it. You still have. It's only half that have gone. It's not yet the end. I tell you, even the half that have gone, you can still make it in the remaining half. But how focused are you? How ready are you to put in the work? How ready are you to make it happen? How ready are you to go out there to grab it? I'm talking to someone out there. If you are yet to achieve it and financially you are still struggling, I have something for you. Financially you are still struggling, you are yet to meet up to it. Why not grab this opportunity? You have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. When I mean nothing, you have exactly nothing to lose. A lot of people have really gained a lot of financial freedom here, health-wise, and a lot more to benefit. Then what is still your doubt of you being there watching for years and you are still struggling financially? You cannot go out there to take what belongs to you. That 9 to 5 hours job is not doing it. It's not doing it. Then why not go for extra? Not going for extra hours. Because you cannot die in that work. Even if you die today, I tell you, die today, get sick today, your boss replaces you in the next minute. Then why are you killing yourself in that work? Why are you killing yourself slowly in that work? Working excess hours, extra hours upon hours, still yet you are struggling financially. At the end of the month, you see before the salary comes in, the house bill, they debit it, the alert will come, the light bill, they debit it, the gas bill, they debit it, you see your phone bill, they debit it, and after debiting all this, you see you are left with nearly nothing. Why not even that phone that is even paying? The phone can generate the money to pay its own bill. The internet and the internet you are using in your phone, the phone can generate the money and pay that bill. Is a big relief for you. Is indeed a big relief for you. Why not? Why not grab this amazing opportunity that you have nothing to lose? You have totally nothing to lose. All you need is just to say yes and come in. Come in with your mindset. Come in like-minded and see you going higher. You think you cannot do it? Or what is that? The doubt. Those many doubts that you have been having in your back, at the back of your mind all these times. You cannot do it, you cannot do it. What then? What is there? The people, have you asked, the people doing it, how many heads do they have? Just one. And you are doing it already because you are here on the social media. You are here posting on Facebook. You are here making friends on social media. A lot of us are in many social media. A lot of us. Count it. Some people are in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Name them. Snapchat, WhatsApp. all this, you are enriching these people already. You are still enriching these people already. And why not still make something from it out? You yourself. You can make something from it also. You can make something of it also. Why not? Why not put in the little effort? Why not go out there and grab it? Why not go out there and put in that effort? Do you really desire for more? Do you really need that change in your finances? Do you really need to upgrade? Do you really need to achieve that you have been struggling to achieve? Why not go out there to do more? More is needed. Because nothing is happening in that your comfort zone. If nothing is happening, why not move? Are you a tree? Are you a tree? If you're not a tree, then move. Move and see something change. Because if you don't change something that you keep on doing every day, nothing is going to change. That's just simple truth about it. If you keep on doing one thing and one thing and one thing, year in, year out, one thing, month out, and no result is coming out of it, you are not having any good result, then change a little thing from that thing you are doing. Keep on changing till you get the right thing you need to do. And for you to change, I tell you that something must change. Stop struggling financially because there are a lot of opportunities out there. Opportunities are at your doorstep. Thank you, Uganda. Thank you, darling, for coming here. I so much appreciate opportunities. A lot of opportunities are there for you. A lot of them. It's just for you to know the right one, to grab it with open hand, to make use of it. And you see things start changing for you. Days are gone. Days are gone. You do tell me that you don't have work, or you keep on killing yourself in your working places just to make ends meet, and you have something that you can relax. When I mean you can relax in your couch, inside your blanket, enjoying your AC, and many more, and you still earn from it. Earning an amazing income from it. Than you going there to work for 9 to 5 hours, still pick extra hours and nothing have changed, and you don't want to change anything, thinking that that the life is normal, that it is normal. It's not normal, my people. It's not normal. So you can still make use of this remaining 6 months, half of the year. What you did not achieve in the 6 that have gone already, I tell you, you can still achieve it in this remaining 6 months. In the remaining half. Come on board in this amazing opportunity and see things start changing for you. What can extra 100 euro, 200 euro, 300 euro, 1,000 plus can do for you? Can it change something for you? If 50 euro can pay your internet bill, and if this internet you are spending it on can still generate that money back to you, it's something. It's enough. Than you dipping your hand in your salary to pay for house rent, to pay for all those bills and still pay for the internet bill. Why that internet you are paying for can still generate the money back to you. How good do you make use of your social media? Are you the one allowing social media to use you, or you are the one using social media? The choice is yours. We all have that different choice. We all have that opportunities. But how are you allowing your social media to make use of you, or you are the one making use of your social media? Don't just go there to while your times out, just only to have fun and comment on friends' posts and off you go. Commenting beautiful or getting thousands beautiful or absolutely gorgeous, or all those beautiful comments in your post, is it going to add a dime to your account? Hell no. They are all amazing. We appreciate friends for showing us such love and commenting and coming to support us, but that is not going to pay your bills. It's not going to help you in any way. 1,000 beautiful cannot add a dime to your account. It cannot pay your bill. It's not going to change anything for you. But it's just for you to get up and change something for yourself. Make use of your social media. Stop allowing social media to make use of you. Make use of it. Social media can turn your world around. You can build an amazing business that can change even your 4th generation to come on social media. A lot are making it, and a lot are still in the process of making it. Why not grab this amazing opportunity? A business that you have nothing to lose. A business that has been in existence for 50 years now. 50 good years. They have seen the ups and downs of network marketing. A business that you just come in to become your own franchise. You become a partner to that company. You have your own office running in 26 countries. Immediately, you have nothing to ship or stock in your house. All you need is just to become a partner, and your website, your office is being set up for you in less than 10 minutes. And you have started a business. You have started running a business immediately. Then tell me what you lose. All you need there is just be the product of the product. Maybe use the product, share your testimonies. People who love your testimonies, people who may be going through what you are going through, can buy into your testimony, and you see yourself start making it in the business already. That's simply how it works. Buy your own product, be the product of the product, and share your testimony. That's all. Nobody is coming to tell you to come and buy and start selling. No. To come and buy and start distributing or sharing to different people. No. You are not going to do any of those things. All you need is just to sign up, become a partner, and every other thing is being set aside for you. How are you going to run it? How are you going to get the people you are going to sell to? That should not be the problem. You have a lot of people, amazing women, like-minded women who are ready to move a mountain with you. Women who are ready to ride you to the top. All you need is just that's your mindset. All you need is just to say yes. All you need is just, I'm ready to put in the work. I'm ready to do it, because nothing good comes easy. I must tell you. Don't expect that you come in there to sit down and it will start flowing. Hell no. You are going to make it, but are you ready? Are you willing to put in the work? If someone is there to hold your hands, are you ready to do what we are going to tell you? If you are ready, if you are that woman on a mission, if you are that focused woman, if you are the like-minded person, if you are the one who is determined to change something, then you are the one I'm talking to. Come on board. Say yes to this amazing opportunity that are changing lives. It can still change yours. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the support. I so much appreciate you guys. Thanks for always coming to watch. And please help me to share this video, because someone in your world may be in need of something to do an extra, or this word may just go into someone and someone may decide to change something for herself, his or herself. So thank you, my lovely people. Thanks for coming on. Thanks for joining me. I so much appreciate it. I love you guys. See you next. Bye.